Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use 20 USDT coupon in Bybit. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to make sure you have updated the application from your Play Store. Next, what you can do is you can also log in from the website as well. So here you can see I have my Bybit application opened right here. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually use the coupon in Bybit. So first what you have to do is open the application, and once you do that, here what you have to do is click on this option, the rewards hub. Once you do that, here you can see the option to claim this 20 USDT, and once you claim it, what you have to do is just click on the use option. So once you click on use option, what you can do is you'll be able to use this 20 USDT coupon in your Bybit. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.